Hello, welcome back. My name is Laura from Hippo and today I want to introduce to you our M16. Keep watching to see the unboxing. This is our M16, our professional wireless microphone. When you open the box, you will find the user manual. Also, you will find 3 cables. One of them is a 1.1 jack cable, and the other 2 is 2 cables, one Type-C and one Lightning. This makes our microphone available for all the devices. Also there you will find the charging cable. When you open the case you will find 2 receivers and 1 transmitter, and the winds protector. Let's see how it works. This microphone is 2.4 digital GHz transmission, 128-bit encryption crystal clear audio up to 100 meters, optimized for extremely stable operation in dense RF environments. It is really easy to use. It has automatic pairing, so it will be connected as soon as it's powered on. You can adjust the microphone for 3 levels gain control, and also you have the ENC mode. It means noise cancellation. The noise cancellation is with powerful DSP and 360 degrees omnidirectional sound pickup. The transmitter has 2 inputs, Type-C and jack 1.1, and it has 360 degrees rotating backlight. This microphone is long battery life, support recording and charging case non-stop for live streaming. It means 10 hours on a single charge, 180 days long standby time, 30 hours last charge case, and 2200 microamperes for the charge case. If you want to know more about the newest products in China, you can follow us on our Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. See you there, bye bye!